hope you're ready. Because Pac-Man's back. We are doing official Pac-Man game. And I'm milking it. So we can get this starting. I got my headphones. And let's get started. So this is the TV on right there. Wait to figure it out. Put this right there. There. That's the one. All right. Okay. So you got this. I know the rules are. Here we go again. Goes. I swear, goes. I swear, guys. Where you going?
Wow, Jagger, that needs to be turned down. He's got earmuffs on the TV. My brother is an idiot.
I swear, guys.
Oh my gosh, he's an idiot.
Oh, yeah. Then you just die. Who's next? Focus!
Yeah? Oh, I'm sorry. I was enjoying family time with my family.
Here we go again.
I'm sorry, I visited with my family.
You're fine. I was trying to tell you good news.
What's the good news?
I have
There's something here.
discovered and I thought I did.
How much?
Yes.
Here we go again.
$2. $3.
Here we go again. Goes. I swear, goes.
200?
Yes.
Wow.
Goes.
1,000.
Yes, goes. Come on.
Five?
Get back
5,000?
here, you bellies.
10,000?
I have like just over $6,000. And before the market took a jump, it looks like I had like 75.
Laser beam fire.
Nobody for a year.
You should have stayed. You would have still been there.
You would have made me quit.
Oh no.
Yeah, but you would have had a lot of money then
Oh.
that you didn't know about.
Guys, I swear, goes.
But I didn't know how to clean it up on fire.
Just wait like that, and I'll do it.
I like to not do it all of my started in one.
Are you freaking kidding me?
That's awesome, Danny. Way to go.
Are you freaking kidding me?
10 minutes in, I was kind of like, okay, like, I could tell that you lost.
You did 10 minutes?
I'm
then?
just gonna touch
stayed
that.
for you for 10
and
minutes?
see what it was on down there. Maybe I could touch it.
Be like, are you all done? Like, you know,
Okay, so they just lay on right here.
kind of like frown at me and then like start
Oh no.
pushing. Like,
Here we go again.
a little bit hard.
Just stay there.
Hard, like a little bit here and there. So then when I do it all done, it was all like
Are you freaking kidding me?
like I don't want to like sit here anymore. But he just sat there for like 10 to 15 minutes.
Maybe he was traumatized enough by his own poop cleanup that he's gifted.
Maybe. But he sat there like
Challenges.
like it looked like he just felt perfectly fine afterwards.
Okay, so we're just gonna
He said done?
try this
No
one.
way.
And he's like done. So he knows
So,
when he's
I hope you're ready.
pee a lot.
Because
Feel it.
Pac-Man's back,
Oh my god.
but that's okay. We can't lose.
I don't even think my poops are that big.
Yeah, so I can see why he was feeling a little uncomfortable. After he got pooped though,
Bye.
I did have
Go,
him
go,
like have some
go.
time with my pad and
Go,
I'm letting him like
go.
have some free time right now because
Yeah, that's a big poop.
yeah.
Way to go, little man. Mommy's proud of you.
And I did like
There
put a whole
goes.
new outfit on him because I was like, I think
times to me too.
So
Like
I
I'll be
just-
like, he'll be done and he'll have pee on his shirt. He'll he's out
Yeah.
on top of the linoleum.
Yeah, and then like his pants got a little wet, so I was
Are you
like,
freaking
okay,
kidding
maybe
me?
Maybe we'll just do this.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go just do options. Alright, so how do we fix this?
So I can leave it there till you can leave it there till I'm 70 and a half. Or I can roll it into an IRA. Right now, if I leave it there, it's gonna.
I think there's no things to do this.
I would leave
That's
it.
okay.
You can't even get to a bake till
Oh, I know, but well, I guess no matter what, if I take it out there or I take it out at 70 and a half, I still have to pay taxes on it. But I honestly feel like I could make him take more than just sitting there.
Alright,
money.
okay. You know what? Just kill me. Are you freaking kidding me?
1 year.
Well, we've been together for 10 years.
And
You
here
would've
we
stayed
go.
there for 5 years.
Here we go
Holy
again.
crap.
Jeez. I think we could change a theme.
You give me a plastic sack, love.
Let's see what we got.
Jagger, you gotta start school in 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, 10 minutes.
Okay.
Blade, though, my dad was yelling at Blade too. You don't take that baby out in public. You're not even wearing a mask out in public, Blade. You shouldn't be taking a baby out in public. I went to the store and I wore my mask. If I didn't have a mask, I would have wore a handkerchief, Blade. My brother is a
Oh my
hero.
goodness.
Well, I'm sure your brother thinks it's fabricated by Democrats.
Well, no, he thinks President Trump is a Satan worshiper, actually. Yeah, that's what he said.
So
He
close.
changed his mind all of a sudden.
Dude,
I
that was so
don't know.
close. Dang it.
I think he'd rather. I don't know. He doesn't vote anyways.
I'm gonna try this again.
I love my brother, but he's just. I don't know. I love my brother, but I don't know. Something's
So
just
let's do this.
not clicking at all functions. I think he's been with Melanie too
So,
long,
I
and he
just
watches
look
YouTube,
at
and he
the
thinks
ghost
YouTube is the news.
at 1 second, and
He's
I
like, oh,
understand this.
conspiracy theory. Oh, the news is
So,
on.
Alright, we got a bomb on this freaking guy. Take that. Go.
I forgot to take pills today. It's 2 minutes and 5 minutes.
Go get it. Here we go again. Oh, jeez.
Alright, we have a clean potty again.
Alright, so let's sneak
And
this.
we're out of pull-ups, I think. I think there's just a few maybe in the dirty bedroom. And I
Come
think
get
I've
me.
seen 1 or 2 in the diaper area. And then we don't have a lot of diapers either, so
Jeez, gotta move, jeez.
next time we do any grocery shopping, we should probably pick up some pull-ups or diapers.
Come on. Where you go again? Guys. That's
And
right.
wipes.
That's right, guys.
Okay, potty clean.
Take that, sucker. Are you freaking kidding me?
Way to go, Danny. That's awesome. He sat there for her for 10 minutes. He only sits there for like me for like 4 or 5 if I'm lucky.
I was 14-10.
Danny, I got an idea. How would you like to be a guardian until this pandemic is over and bring him back talking and pooping in a toilet for me. We'll check in every night by FaceTime and see how you and your husband and your adopted Vander are doing. Ooh, while we're at it, you can take Jagger too and homeschool it.
Oh, jeez. I just eat that ghost when I'm little. Jeez. That's just crazy.
My pads are toast.
Yeah, you take that. No, 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 no. Fort.
Which ones?
My blue ones just slip on all my feet.
Did I just do that with 11 seconds? That was just classic.
You got 6 minutes, Jagger.
6 minutes.
Yep, and you gotta start forward.
6 minutes. I had to start school with 6 minutes.
Yeah, to be honest, we need to start doing school a lot earlier. You shouldn't even be playing video games at all until your schoolwork's done. You shouldn't be touching iPads or anything anyway, but we just need to start school and get it done.
Sorry, dude, you can't hear me.
Can I put this in the windowsill?
You can put whatever you want, wherever you want. Oh, you're gonna put it in the windowsill
Never
like you
mind.
messed up?
I just changed my mind.
Okay. Just gotta keep calm. Just gotta keep
People
calm.
walk in.
Alright.
That's the first thing they see is the window. And if it lets in sunlight and it looks symmetrical and nice right there, that just makes a world of difference as far as the initial impression of walking in this house. So if you
Oh,
put
geez.
this
Oh,
random
geez.
junk and crap right there in the window, that's the first
that
bad
was-
impression.
I'm pretty good at this game.
So, I would just try to keep the window very zen. Buddhists help make it zen.
Yeah, you take that. Okay.
Hopefully his computer's got a good charge on it.
Jeez. Okay. I got a laser on you guys. Dude, I got a laser. Ah, shoot. Ah, jeez. Here we go again. Guys, I swear, guys. Go!
I would leave it for a while, honestly.
Don't get me, you dummy.
Hey, Mama, yeah. I'll figure out what's your impressions? Like, based on what economy's doing right now, there's so many
Because
better
I'd wait
opportunities that
until-
I got control over.
Oh yes.
Things are down right now. If I put it in airlines and stuff that are destined to go up, then it's going to go way up. If it sits there, it's going to go up below, and not like, okay, if I invest in things that drop a ton that are bound and determined to go back to normal.
Do you see who's wearing the headphones?
Alright, now I can go for
I don't know how to get moving early, and I don't know how you're going to go on schoolwork, and I just don't think you need to be playing video games till it's done, because this is your
Somebody
obligation.
use
I think it's done.
this laser beam. Okay, so let's go into that. Okay, run, go, run. Teleport, chase.
Oh, my dad just told me what to do with this dead body after he died. No, I ate your breakfast now.
Kidding me?
A little bit ago.
They will.
We're supposed to cremate him and
That's
donate
just
him to science.
crazy.
Cremate him and
Right,
donate him
guys?
to science?
No, donate him to science and then cremate him.
Cremate the leftovers?
Yeah.
You got all the turkey that I said still and you haven't eaten it either. That's pretty good.
Overdose.
I've already ate 2 sandwiches.
Overdose.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I saw nose. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, okay. Ooh, there's just squishy. Oh, yes, there's pac-Man. I wonder what this is. Ah, there we go. That's it. Oh yes, a laser beam. You're messing up my suit cap. But Ghost is very good at hide and seek. Oh, great.